Alright, ang daming Bluetooth microphone guys, no? So ayan, ang dami nating collection ng Bluetooth microphone. Makikita nyo. Alright, okay, let's see. Let's try to look at this Bluetooth microphone. This is actually a Magic Karaoke microphone guys, no? Alright, galing. Hey guys, what's up people of the world? This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix D Ruler channel. In today's video, babalikan natin itong mga Bluetooth microphone na matagal na nating hindi nagagamit, no? So kasi napakatagal na marami na tayo na unbox na Bluetooth microphone at ang napili natin na testingin right now is itong Magic Karaoke Bluetooth microphone. So ito yung unang-unang version ng Magic Karaoke. Pero meron na rin silang bagong klase ng Magic Karaoke na pang duet guys. Makikita nyo, ayan, may mga buttons dyan. Yung speaker nasa ilalim. So ano ba talaga ang Bluetooth microphone guys? So ang Bluetooth microphone is actually Bluetooth speaker with built-in microphone guys. As I was saying, you can listen with beautiful music and pwede mo siyang gamitin as a backup na speaker whenever nanonood ka ng movie or just listening to music. And of course, a specialty niya is karaoke guys. So with this device, easy access to karaoke anytime, anywhere. Can you imagine? Kailangan nyo lang para paganahin ang isang Bluetooth microphone is cellphone o kaya tablet. Pag meron ka na ng cellphone at saka itong Bluetooth microphone na to, pwede na easy access to karaoke anytime, anywhere. Kasi ito, pwede mong dalhin kahit saan. At saka kung mahiyain ka, pwede ka mag-practice sa isang maliit na kwarto, mag-practice ka, di ba? So yun ang kagandahan sa isang Bluetooth microphone. Para siya paganahin, dalawa lang ang kailangan, cellphone at saka yung Bluetooth microphone. So tara na, subukan natin kung gumagana pa tong Bluetooth microphone natin. So sa mga susunod na videos natin, iisa-isayin natin yung mga Bluetooth microphone dyan sa background natin. So napakarami niya, no? Kasi yung mga ginawa kong mga videos before is actually in English. So marami na din nagko-comment na hindi nila masyado maintindihan guys kung paano gamitin yung Bluetooth microphone na to. So mag-start tayo and then sa susunod na mga videos natin is ibang Bluetooth microphone naman natin yung susubukan natin. So for now, etong Magic Karaoke ang tetestingin natin. Matagal na siya sa akin. So testingin natin kung gumagana pa siya guys, no? So start natin. Alright, okay, testingin natin. So unang-una lang naman is i-connect natin tong Bluetooth microphone sa cellphone guys. Ayan, ko-connect natin siya. So, i-power on muna natin yung ating Bluetooth microphone. Ayan, tumunog siya. Ibig sabihin, nakakonect na siya. Alright. So, syempre, sa ating cellphone, para sa ating music backtracks or karaoke backtracks, magpe-play tayo. So, magse-search lang tayo sa YouTube. Alright. So, yan yung sound niya, guys, no? Ayan na yung backtracks natin. Ayan, pakinggan natin. Let's see how it sounds together with the backtracks and also the voice. Morning, just a moment away, and I, without you once again. Galing, no? Ang galing ng timplada niya guys, no? So yun dun sa background music niya at saka yun sa vocals, napakaganda ng blending guys. So napakaganda niya, no? Tuloy natin. I wonder if you need me now. Okay, try natin ibang songs, no? So i-try natin. So maririnig niyo yung quality ng sounds, no? Kasi actually ito guys, yung isa sa mga pinakamalakas na Bluetooth microphone. From what I know is this one is actually 10 watts guys. 10 watts yan. So try natin ha. Alright, okay. And sometimes all the nights can be so long, and it's good when I finally make it home, and all alone while she lays screaming. I try to get undressed without the light, and quietly she says I was your knight. And I come to her and say it was alright, and I hold her tight. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. Ayan guys, nakikita niyo yung combination ng backtrack at saka ng vocals, no? Sa tamang-tama lang siya guys. At saka yung pickup ng microphone. Hello, sound check, mic test. Napakaganda ng pickup niya. Ayan, yung Magic Karaoke. Try pa natin ibang songs. One in a Million You. Ito, napakaganda kanta rin ito. Pakinggan nyo yung sound quality nung backtracks at saka vocals together with this Bluetooth microphone guys. Napakaganda na tunog niya guys. At saka you can see talaga malakas siya guys. Malakas. Kahit siguro sa outdoor to pwede nyo gamitin kung sa outdoor. And love has played its game on me so long, I started to believe I'd never found anyone. Doubters tried to convince me to give in, said you can win. But the day the sun came up to shining through, the rain stopped and the skies were blue. And oh, what a revelation to see someone was saying I love you to me. A one in a million chance of a lifetime. O, di ba napakaganda guys? So, yan yung featured microphone natin today, yung Magic Karaoke Bluetooth microphone guys. Napakaganda niya. So, next video natin, abangan nyo. So, ibang Bluetooth microphone naman ang testingin natin. So, that's the Magic Karaoke Bluetooth microphone testing for you. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood ng video. And of course, this is Mix D saying keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam!